What is up, you guys? Today we're going to be talking about Facebook and whether or not it's a buy or not. Facebook has been dropping for the past couple of months, and in my personal opinion, I'm going to be talking to you guys about all my strategies, whether or not you should be buying Facebook. I really personally wouldn't panic sell right now. I'm going to go on the laptop really quick and show you guys exactly my plays and thoughts, the support levels I see it going to, where I actually personally see it bouncing, and the price that I would buy it at. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. We're at 4,000 subscribers. We're trying to hit 100K within this year. So I'm gonna make it real simple to you. I'm gonna make this video really quick. I'm just doing this really quick at night just to show you guys exactly my plays and thoughts on Facebook, because Facebook actually hit a 52-week low. So it's been a year since it's been this low. So let's get further into it. So I'm making this video at night just to show you guys my plays and thoughts for this week, what I personally think we're going to be seeing Facebook at, and my personal opinion. So we're on the laptop here really quick, and we're just looking at the chart for the weekly chart, and you can see here that we have dropped really hard at where we bounced off the 200 mark as of today, and we hit the 52-week low. So it's a really big drop, and I'm gonna show you guys my thoughts on it. So as you can see here, the RSI is showing that we're really oversold. Right at the peak, we were trading at 384. There's a lot of noise right now, but okay, we were trading at 384. We're at 200. We bounced off that 200 mark, but let's look at the past and the previous patterns of it. So you can see here that it actually happened. Facebook, it happened to that recently, not recently, but it happened. A big spike like that has happened on Facebook, where it dropped almost 50% at least. And I have it here on 2018 of July. It dropped. It was trading at $218, and it dropped all the way to 126. Another instance, when Facebook had really bad news, it was trading at 228 and dropped again to that 130 range. So that is a big chunk. Facebook is known for having a lot of bad news, and when they do, the stock really falls. So what my thoughts and theory are on this stock is we are extremely oversold, and you can see every time we were oversold in the previous patterns and the previous time zone, the RSI showed that we were oversold. And then right when we were oversold, it climbed back up, and you could have sold there for a profit and gained a big chunk. Then it dropped again. It dropped again, and the RSI is also showing that we're oversold, which was a great buying opportunity if you're long on the stock. The stock is on sale basically, and you're just long on it. And it went to the peak. You can see that it overextended on the RSI a little bit high here. I like to see it pretty much trailing, but when it's really far apart from this moving average right here, when the moving average is really far apart, it's going to bounce up and meet that moving average eventually. This is a 30-day moving average. I like to use it. I like to make when analyzing charts, I like to try and make it as simple as possible. Use the MACD, the RSI, and the EMA. My buying zone, I personally think we're going to be seeing Facebook at, if it breaks below 200, the next zone we're going to be seeing is at 175 mark area. I do think I drew this blue box here to just show you guys that I currently think right here is a buying zone long term. If you're long term on the stock, if you own the stock and you bought it really high, honestly, do not sell it here. You're gonna go for a loss. I mean, trust me, do not sell it. Facebook isn't going anywhere. They're trying to update They're trying to update social media constantly. They're trying to do the metaverse. I don't know how that's gonna go. It's gonna be the future for sure. So I wouldn't sell personally. If anything, I try to dip buy as much as I can, but not put all your money in at once. I would just buy in small increments. That way you average your position. So I do personally think this first half of the year is going to be a very choppy market, just because we have a lot of supply chain issues and a lot of issues as well. You saw the news that came out this week as well. So we are in this buying area right now, and if we break below 200, like I said, we're going to see that 175 area, and if it doesn't hold, the next level of support is that 135 area. I personally would be very surprised if it hit that 135 area. I don't think so. If it breaks 200, we're going to see that 175 area. But if it breaks 200, it could bounce off 200 and start climbing upwards. It's not showing any bullish pattern right now. It's very, very bearish on the weekly, and even on the daily you can see here that we're just downtrending. And the hourly, everything just shows like we're really oversold. Like, we're gonna go to the daily, and it's been oversold here a lot. You can just see it. The RSI is just showing that we're oversold. These are pretty much showing you that it's on sale. And when it's dropped from this much of an EMA, I mean, I personally think Facebook isn't going anywhere, and it's a good long-term company to hold long-term. These are my buying zones that I personally believe that we should be loading up stocks in around this $200 range. And even if it breaks below that 200, it might, the next level of support is 175, and it might most likely bounce off there. Or if we're really in a bearish market, we might see that 135, which I really doubt, but it's a very possible chance. Anything's possible. But I would personally be loading up positions here, and that's my personal opinion. Hopefully you guys like this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you think Facebook is on sale right now, do you think it's going to go downtrending? What do you guys think? Leave it in the comments down below. I'll make sure to read them, give you my thoughts, and I love all your input. So if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.